Hello, and welcome back to Yekni. Today, I'm going to talk about something that is near and dear to my heart: the importance of emotional support for dogs. Dogs bring us so much joy and love, but it's important to remember that they too have emotions and can experience emotional distress. In this video, we're going to explore 20 things that can affect your dog's emotional well-being. 1. Separation from their owner. Dogs are social animals and thrive on the company of their owners. When dogs are separated from their owners, whether it is for a short time or an extended period, it can cause them emotional distress. Separation anxiety is a common problem in dogs and can manifest as destructive behavior, excessive barking, and even physical symptoms such as vomiting or diarrhea. 2. Neglect or lack of attention. Dogs require attention and care from their owners. Neglecting a dog's basic needs such as food, water, exercise, and medical attention can have a detrimental effect on their emotional well-being. Dogs who are neglected may become depressed, lethargic, and exhibit destructive behavior. Giving adequate care and attention to a dog is essential for their overall health and happiness. 3. Verbal or physical abuse. Verbal or physical abuse towards a dog is unacceptable and can have a lasting effect on their emotional state. Dogs who are subjected to abuse may become fearful, anxious, and exhibit aggressive behavior. It is important to treat dogs with respect and kindness and to use positive reinforcement methods when training them. 4. Changes in routine or environment. Dogs are creatures of habit and thrive on routine. Any sudden changes in their routine or environment, such as moving to a new home or a change in schedule, can cause them stress and anxiety. A stable and predictable environment for a dog is essential for their emotional well-being. 5. Loud or sudden noises. Dogs have sensitive hearing and can be easily startled by loud or sudden noises such as thunderstorms or fireworks. Exposure to these noises can cause them anxiety and fear. You need to provide a safe and secure environment for a dog during these events that can help alleviate their stress. 6. Traumatic experiences such as accidents or attacks. Traumatic experiences such as accidents or attacks can have a lasting effect on a dog's emotional state. Dogs who have experienced trauma may become fearful, anxious, and exhibit aggressive behavior. Appropriate care and support for a dog who has experienced trauma is essential for their emotional recovery. 7. Exposure to extreme temperatures. Dogs are sensitive to extreme temperatures and can become stressed or anxious if they are exposed to excessive heat or cold. It is important to provide a comfortable and safe environment for a dog for their well-being. 8. Lack of socialization or interaction with other dogs or people. Dogs are social animals and require interaction with other dogs and people to thrive. A lack of socialization can lead to anxiety and fear in dogs. You need to find time to provide opportunities for a dog to socialize and interact with others is important for their emotional development. 9. Illness or injury. Dogs who are ill or injured may experience pain and discomfort, which can lead to emotional distress. Appropriate medical care and support for a dog who is sick or injured is essential for their emotional well-being. 10. Aging and physical decline. As dogs age, they may experience physical decline and health problems, which can lead to emotional distress. Providing care and support for an aging dog is paramount for their emotional and physical well-being. Now, before we proceed further, I believe that the information and advice provided will be useful in helping you understand the importance of emotional support for dogs. If you are a new viewer, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell icon. This will ensure that you are notified every time we post a new video, so you can continue to learn about the joys and benefits of pet ownership. 11. Changes in the household or family dynamic. Changes in the household or family dynamic, such as the arrival of a new baby or the loss of a family member, can cause stress and anxiety in dogs. A stable and predictable environment for a dog during these changes is essential for their emotional well-being. 12. Being confined for extended periods of time. Dogs require exercise and mental stimulation to thrive. Being confined for extended periods of time can lead to boredom and frustration, which can have a negative impact on their emotional state. Providing opportunities for a dog to exercise and engage in stimulating activities is important for their overall well-being. 13. Lack of exercise or mental stimulation. As mentioned earlier, lack of exercise or mental stimulation can have a negative impact on a dog's emotional state. Dogs who do not get enough exercise or mental stimulation may become bored and restless, which can lead to destructive behavior. Making sure to provide opportunities for a dog to exercise and engage in mentally stimulating activities is essential for their emotional and physical health. 14. Fear of certain objects or situations. Dogs can develop a fear of certain objects or situations, such as the vacuum cleaner or thunderstorms. Fear can lead to anxiety and stress in dogs. A safe and secure environment for a dog during these situations can help alleviate their fear and reduce their stress levels. 15. Feeling neglected or unloved. Dogs require attention and affection from their owners. Feeling neglected or unloved can lead to emotional distress in dogs. Giving love and attention to a dog is essential for their emotional well-being. 16. Feeling threatened or intimidated by other dogs or people. Dogs can feel threatened or intimidated by other dogs or people. Feeling threatened can lead to anxiety and fear in dogs. Providing a safe and secure environment for a dog is essential for their emotional well-being. 17. Being forced to do something they do not enjoy or feel comfortable with. Dogs have their own likes and dislikes. Forcing a dog to do something they do not enjoy or feel comfortable with can cause them emotional distress. It is important to respect a dog's boundaries and to use positive reinforcement methods when training them. 18. Being left alone for extended periods of time. Dogs are social animals and require companionship. Being left alone for extended periods of time can lead to loneliness and separation anxiety in dogs. Appropriate care and attention to a dog is essential for their emotional well-being. 19. Overfeeding or poor diet leading to weight gain. Overfeeding or providing a poor diet can lead to weight gain and health problems in dogs. Being overweight can also lead to emotional distress in dogs. Taking your time to provide a healthy and balanced diet for a dog is essential for their overall health and well-being. 20. Inadequate training or inconsistent discipline. Dogs require training and discipline to thrive. Inadequate training or inconsistent discipline can lead to confusion and anxiety in dog. Providing appropriate training and consistent discipline for a dog is essential for their emotional and behavioral development. One personal experience I can share is about my dog's fear of thunderstorms. Whenever there was a thunderstorm, my dog would become visibly anxious and stressed. He would pant heavily, pace around the house, and seek comfort by hiding under the bed. It was clear that he was very afraid of the thunderstorm. To help alleviate his fear, I would create a safe and secure environment for him by closing the windows and curtains to block out the lightning and thunder. I would also turn on soothing music or white noise to drown out the sound of the storm. Additionally, I would provide him with a cozy and comfortable space to relax in, such as his bed or crate, along with some of his favorite toys and treats. Over time, with consistent and patient care, my dog's fear of thunderstorms decreased, and he became more relaxed during storm. It was a challenging experience, but it taught me the importance of understanding and addressing a dog's emotional needs. If you are a dog owner and love your dog, watch our next video coming up about 15 reasons why dogs make the best companion.